guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 10 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 2807. Insert greatest common divisors in linked list. Okay, so this problem actually is very easy. Okay, so in this problem we have given the head of a linked list head in which each node contains an integer value. Between every pair of adjacent nodes, we have to insert a new node with the value equal to greatest common divisor of them. Okay, and in the end we have to just return the linked list after insertion. The greatest common divisor of two numbers is the largest positive integer that evenly divides both numbers. Okay, so see here example number 1. So here this is a linked list given to us, right? 18, 6, 10 and 3. Okay, so first thing that we need to do, we need to find the GCD of 18 and 6. So what is the GCD of 18 and 6? 6, right? So we are inserting 6 in between. What is the GCD of 6 and 10? So GCD of 6 and 10 is 2, so we are inserting 2. What is the GCD of 10 and 3? So GCD is 1, so we are inserting that, right? So this is what we need to do, right? So here how we are going to calculate the GCD? Factors of 18 are 2, 9, 3, 3 here and 3, 1. Okay, so these are the factors, right? 3 into 3 into 2, right? These are the factors of 18. And what are the factors of 6? So same way, 2, 3. Okay, so here 3. So see here, what is the common value? So 2 into 3 is common. Here 2 into 3 is common. So multiplication of this is 6. So 6 is a common number, right? So greatest common divisor of two numbers is the largest positive integer, right? So largest positive integer here 3 into 2, 3 into 6, which evenly divides both numbers. So yeah, 18 is divisible by 6 and 6 is also divisible by 6. So this is the GCD. Okay, so this problem will be very easy for you guys if you know about this equilibrium algorithm. Okay, so we have discussed about this equilibrium algorithm in past. Okay, so what does this equilibrium algorithm means? Okay, so in equilibrium algorithm, let's say I want to find the greatest common divisor of two numbers 18 and 6. Okay, 18 and 6. So let's suppose this 18 is nothing but my A value and this 6 is nothing but my B value. Okay, so equilibrium algorithm says that if the value of my A is equal to 0, right, then in that case I have to simply return the value of B. Okay, so this is the main thing of equilibrium algorithm, right? So right now our A value is 18, not 0, so we are not returning anything. So now after that, what we need to do here, so we have to update the values of A and B. Okay, and we need to pass them again in my GCD. Okay, so how I'm going to update the values of A and B? Okay, so we need to update these values. So now my new value of A will become B modulus with A, and my new value of B will become A. Okay, so here let's pass first B value. So B value is nothing but A. Okay, so A is 18 here, so I am passing 18 here. Okay, I'm using this formula, and A is nothing but B modulus with A. So B value is 6 modulus with 18. So what is the output that you guys are going to get? Okay, so let's do that. 6, I am doing the modulus with 18, right? So 18 0 0. Okay, so here remainder is 6. So this is nothing but my new value of A. Okay, 6. Okay, so again I am going to check my A and B here in this one. So A is this one, B is this one. So right now again my A is not equal to 0. So again I have to apply this formula, A this one and B this one. Okay, so again write GCD, and here my new value of B will be A. So A is nothing but 6 here, so I am passing 6. This is nothing but my new B. Okay, and my A is equal to B. B is nothing but 18 in this case. Right now it is 18, and modulus with A. A is nothing but 6. Okay, let's do that. So here you will see 6, 3, 18. So I am getting remainder as 0, and this is correct now. So here A is equal to 0. Okay, so now you see my A value is 0 and B is equal to 6. So now my A becomes 0. Then we have to simply return B. And what is the value of my B? 6. So 6 is the GCD. So easy, right? This is very interesting, right? Included algorithm. Okay, simple. We need to do this thing. Okay, 2-3 lines of code for this one. Okay, and whatever the value we are going to get, we are just going to insert them in between. Okay, so here I am getting 6. So I am going to create one node whose value is 6. Okay, then I am going to point this connection to this one, this connection to this one, right? This is what I need to do, right? Easy. So now let's move to the coding part. So code is also going to be very easy. So here first let's write the equilibrium algorithm. Private int GCD of two numbers, int a, int b, and here if my a value is equal to 0, then in that case simply return b, okay, and otherwise just return GCD of, now updated value of a is going to be b modulus with a, and updated value of b will be a. Okay, that's it. So this is going to calculate me GCD. Okay, so we have solved half of the problem with this one, right? Now let's write the code in between, what we need to do here. So here I am just going to create one cur, okay, which is going to point to head of my linked list, and also I'm going to create one dummy node, okay, which is also going to point to the cur. Okay, now what I need to do here, so here inside this I am just going to check while my cur dot next is not equal to null. Okay, so if that is the case, so here simply means my cur dot next is not equal to null, simply means that I have two values. Okay, so now I have to insert something in between. So right now my cur is pointed to this one, right? So cur dot next is not equal to null simply means that we have two nodes, and in between now we need to insert something. Okay, so here I am just going to first store the value of this in my next node. Okay, so this next node is equal to cur dot next, because later on I have to update the, I have to delete the connection in between. Now this connection I have to delete, so that is why I am directly saving this as a next node. This is my next node and this is my cur. Okay, now in between I have to insert. Okay, so here first thing we have to get the value. Okay, so it will be of int type. I am returning int type. Okay, so what I need to do, I have to find the GCD of which two values, cur dot value and cur dot next dot value, right? Easy. Cur dot next dot value. Okay, so I will get GCD here. Then this is of int type now, but I need a node. So what I need to do, so let's create one node. This node mid new list node, and here just pass insert, okay, this value. So I have created a now node, so I have created this node 6. Now I have to point cur to the this one. Okay, so how I'm going to do, easy. Cur dot next is going to point to mid. Okay, and this mid is going to point to this next node, right? So here mid dot next is going to point to my next node, and now after that this will become my new cur, and I have to check these two. Okay, so easy, right? Cur is equal to next node, and we are almost done with this problem. In the end, just return dummy. That's it. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. Okay, so here this is dummy now. Why is missing here? Let's run it again. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Okay, so here in this example number 2, see, there is just one node. Okay, then we are not doing anything. So here right now my dummy is pointing to cur, and cur dot next is equal to null here. So I'm not executing anything. I'm returning dummy only. So 7 I'm returning 7 only. Okay, let's submit it. So I hope that you guys are clear with this problem. It's not medium of it's not of medium level. I will say that it is easy, very easy. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.